her goal is not in her. She's a diamond under her. Lord Jesus, with ice on my chest. Okay. Chewing on ice first thing in the morning. Lord Jesus. Okay, I'm coming at you with Dollar General. We're going to go in here and see if we can do, I think I'm going to do at least 3 transactions. One going to be a paper because somebody asked me about the Tide. Doing a Tide deal with the paper coupon. So one going to be paper, and then the rest going to be 2 of the digitals that I previously did in my video. So we're going to go ahead. This is going to be quick because I have to go to work. So yes, go ahead and hopefully this store have everything. Okay, so the first deal we're doing is the Tide All Digital deal. So we're going to get a Tide detergent. Okay, Tide detergent. Okay, so we're going to get the Arm & Hammer Pods. I love this one, so I'm going to grab this one. We're going to get a Downy Fabric Softener. So we're going to grab this real quick. We're going to get one of the Central Vitamin. One of the Relieve Back and Muscles. Okay, and then we're going to get one of this big razors right here. Okay, so here's the overview of what I got. We're going to use our 5 off of 25, our $1 off for the Downy, our $3 off for the, what is it? Arm & Hammer Pod, our $2 off for the big razor, our $2 off for the Tide detergent, our $3 off for the Relieve Back and Muscles, and our $4 off for the Central Vitamin. Our total should be $5 for all of these items, okay? So let's go to the register and see how our total come out. Okay, let's see what my total gonna be. Alright, subtotal is $5. Okay, so my first transaction was a success. My subtotal was $5 for 6 items, so making them roughly around 83 cents each for each item, which I feel like is a great price. So let's do our second transaction. Okay, so the next deal I'm going to do is my Rice Krispie treat deal. So I'm going to get one of these. Okay, I need one of these Motrin. Y'all know what I'm saying. God knows. Y'all know I can't talk by now. We're going to get one of these. Do not get the 7 free tablet ones. Get the regular one. So I'm just going to get one of these. I'm going to get one of the Arm & Hammer Pods. Okay, so I might have to add something to this because here they are $2.90. They $2 here, and there was $2.50 online. So I had calculated $2.50, but they actually only $2. But I'm going to get 3 of these, or I might just get 2 of these and 1 of these. I see how. Okay, so here's the overview of what I got. I did switch out one of the Rice Krispie treat for a Pop-Tart. I think her name is Stacy. I'm gonna see if I find her comment, because she was the one that pointed it out that you can also get the Pop-Tart with that $1 off for 3 coupons. So I switch out one of these for the Pop-Tarts. Okay, I added the big razor to this because these are $2 online. They say they $2.50, but in the store they are $2. So I had to add something to cover up, you know, my price difference or whatever. So we're gonna use our 5 off of 25, our $3 off for the Arm & Hammer Pods, our $3 off for the Relieve Back and Muscles, our $4 off for the Central Vitamins, our $2 off for the Big Razor, our $4 off for the Motrin, our $1 off for 3 for the Pop-Tarts. Our total should be $5.05 for all these items, which that means that this is actually a better deal than what I did in my scenario. So let's go to the register and see how my total come out.
How much did they sell it for?
$7.50.
Oh, okay. $10.81.
Oh, my total still $10.81. That mean, did something ring up cheaper?
You can put your number in.
Oh, I gotta put the number in again. Okay, and here's my total. Okay, so with this transaction, my Motrin coupon will not come off. I don't know what's up with it because I have verified that the Motrin count, and it did show that it count, but now it's not. It's just saying that the 50 count is the only one that was scanned for the $3 off coupon. So I don't know what's up with that. So what I had to do was I exchanged the Motrin for this. Yeah, I got one of these in place of the Motrin. So, because I had a $3 off Chic Razor coupon up there. So that's why my total is 50 cents more. So that's why I did it that way. So I hope you understand. Okay, so now we're going to do one more. Okay, so I want to bring this to someone's attention. Look, you see how these barcodes are on the Motrin? Like it have been taped on. You see? Now, I had scanned these, not these, but I had scanned Motrin because I'm at another store. At my store, they don't have this like tape barcode up here, and it was qualified, but these are not qualified at these stores because the $4 did not come off. That's why I had to switch it and get the Chic Razor in place of this item, because this did not scan. The coupon do not apply to this. It only applied to the 50 count one. But I think it's because the barcode is different. It's like it's taped on the same as this one. And the barcodes at my store is not like that on these items. So I just want to bring that to y'all attention just in case y'all run into this problem and the the $3 Motrin coupon do not come off on discount. Well, no, because the $4 coupon did attach to this one. The $3 coupon did attach to the 50 count one, which this one still looked taped, but it just didn't attach to this one. And there was another one that it did not attach to. And this one had a barcode that looked like it's taped on. It's not like this in my store. Like this barcode don't look like this at my store. But anyway, we're going to do the Tide deal just to see if it worked. And then that's going to be the last deal I'm going to do for today. Okay, so we're going to get 2 of the Downies. We're going to get 2 of the Tide Pods. They're $4.95. We're going to get 1 Tide detergent. We're going to get 1 of the Bounce Dry Sheets. Do not get this can, because last time this can did not count. So we're going to just grab this can. Whoa, sorry. Okay, so this is an overview of everything I got. I know it's not the best view, but anyway, we're going to use our 5 off of 25. Our 5 off of 25 for the Tide. We're going to use our $2 off digital for this Tide Pods. Our $2 off that's in our June PG for this one. Our $1 off that's in our June PG for the Downy. Then $1 off for the digital for the Downy. Our $2 off for the Tide detergent that in our June PG. And our $1 off for the Bounce Dry Sheet that's in our June PG. My total, what I'm calculating, should be $6.80. So let's go to the register and see if it's playing out that way. Press total so I make sure those 2 digitals come out. Okay, so saying my total is $12.80. I don't know if that's right or not, but we'll see after those coupons come off. Yep, $6.80. That's right.
$7.75.
Okay, so here's my total. My total was $6.80. Everything went off as planned. I'm gonna wrap this up. Just remember the Motrin. Be mindful. Look at the barcode real good and scan it before you purchase the Motrin, because it did not work for me. So anyway, I feel like this is a good deal for the Tide deal. $6.80 for 6 items. So I'm gonna wrap this up. This is Short Mama 757 Coupon. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. Like this video, share this video, do all those things so people tell you to do at the end of the video. Bye.